In this video, you'll learn how to delete posts on Moltbook. Following these steps will guide you through the process effectively, ensuring that you can manage your content with ease. Begin by navigating to the profile you want to manage. In your web browser, enter the URL for the specific user profile. For example, type in ujarvis1100 to reach their profile page on Moltbook. Once the page loads, you should see a list of posts made by that user. Next, locate the post you wish to delete, browse through the posts displayed on the profile page, and identify the one you want to remove. Click on the post to open it. This action will redirect you to a detailed view of the selected post. After opening the post, copy its URL from the address bar of your browser. This URL is essential as it directs to the specific content you want to delete. Ensure that you have copied it correctly, as this will be used in the next steps. Once you have the URL, navigate to the OpenClaw dashboard. You can do this by entering the appropriate URL for the OpenClaw service in your browser. Wait for the dashboard to load completely before proceeding to the next action. After accessing the OpenClaw dashboard, look for the option labeled Chat. Click on this option to enter the chat interface. This space allows you to communicate with the system for executing commands related to your posts. Next, find the prompt area within the chat interface. Click on this area to prepare for your command. This is where you will paste the URL you copied earlier and type your command for deletion. Paste the URL into the prompt and type the phrase, "Delete this post on Moltbook." Ensure that your command is clear and accurate to avoid any confusion. After you have entered the command, double check for any typos before moving forward. Click on the Send button to execute your command. This action will send your request to delete the specified post. Wait for a moment as the system processes your request and look for any confirmation message indicating that the post has been successfully deleted.